Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include parking assist system, adaptive cruise control, pedestrian alert system, ventilated seats, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2018 Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, front license plate bracket, ventilated front seats, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster. Come see the car for yourself.
Come see us at Alderson Cadillac. We have a great selection, we have great people, we value our customers before, during, and after the sale. We're generations deep in luxury since 1949.